How you guys doing today? Today we're going to talk about the 5 qualities of successful affiliate marketer. So when it comes to being a successful affiliate marketer, you must possess most of these qualities, if not all of these qualities, in your marketing campaigns to be successful. There's a fine line between being lucky and being great enough to do it consistently. So let's look into these qualities that every successful affiliate marketer should have. So the first quality a successful affiliate marketer should have is organization. You want to be organized in everything that you do, even when it comes from your finances to the basics, to your tracking, your marketing, to also your content creation. The reason that you want to be organized so you have a goal in mind and you can set that goal and you can keep it going. Because if you don't have a goal in mind, then you don't know what to expect. You don't know where to start at. You don't even know where to end at every day or even in general. So make sure that you're organized in everything that you do. It also makes things go faster. So number 2, you need to be self-motivated. Being motivated and keeping yourself motivated is essential because not everybody's going to be able to keep you motivated. So you need to be able to keep your own self motivated. You're self-employed, so no one's really going to check on you as much. So by keeping yourself motivated, pushing yourself every day, will keep you disciplined and you'll also be more consistent. Number 3, consistency. No matter what you're planning and what your vision is for your affiliate marketing campaign, you have to be consistent. You need to follow a timeline or a certain time of the day. Say every day every hour you have something to do. Every 2 hours you need to follow a schedule. This will keep you up to date on what's going on, and it'll also make sure that you're keeping the readers are up to date on what you're doing frequently. Number 4, you want to be social. Now I know for introverts this is not something that you like to do, but you have to be social, and hence we have to maintain contact. You also want to keep people up to date on things that says maybe you're changing your website or changing the date you're having a webinar or something that's going on with your business. But you also want to be social and having conversations with people. You don't have to do this every day, but it needs to be consistent and you need to be doing it every week and make sure that you're listening to what they're saying to build trust. Number 5, you want to stay focused. One of the most important qualities to have as an affiliate marketer is to be focused on your vision and not to be distracted with all these distractions that are happening all over the internet and even in life. So never lose sight of what you're aiming for. Stay motivated, keep your end goal in mind, and also want to stay concentrated on one subject at a time. When you try to multitask too much, you lose focus, and when you lose focus, you won't be successful. So those are my top 5 qualities of a successful affiliate marketer. So now that you've seen all the qualities about being consistent, doesn't mean this means every day. It just means if you're only doing it 3 to 4 or 5 times a week, you need to be consistent with it every day. Make sure you stay focused on the things at hand. Make sure you keep a clean goal in mind. And you want to be social. Like I say, with consistency being social, you don't have to be social every day. You don't have to post every day. But you need to be consistent and you need to be doing it every week. You also make sure that you're self-motivating yourself every day. Maybe you want to do some meditation or listen to a good podcast or a good video of motivation to help you stay motivated every day. And also make sure that you're organized from everything to your social, like we talked about earlier, from your social content to your finances, how much you're spending on ads if you are spending money, or if you're just spending money on tools. You want to make sure that you're organized with that. If you have meetings to go to, make sure they're on your calendar. If you need to schedule your posts to help you, which for introverts it would be a very good thing to schedule your posts. So, hope you guys enjoyed this video. You guys have a great rest of the day.